Hello, everyone. My name is Liliann, and I'll be your instructor for this course, and it's called Animation and Programming using Scratch.
Okay.
So what is Scratch? So we're just gonna watch a quick video. Sorry. We're just gonna watch a quick video real quick.
Oh, he's moving around. Oh,
All right. So what Scratch is, it's called a visual programming language. Does anyone know what a programming language is?
Probably Conrad will tell us more. Will you?
Programming language is a way that you can communicate and tell computers to do what things in what orders at what times.
yes.
Yep, exactly. And so with Scratch, instead, usually programming language, they're basically mostly just text. You just write it out. But with Scratch, you're actually able to drag and drop it inside. So that's how you're able to tell the computer what to do when you're building your project. So actually today, we'll be learning a bit more about Scratch and how to use it and navigate it. But first, you have to go and create your account. So first you type in this link, scratch.mit.edu. So we can make your Scratch account. Hold on. I'll just go in.
Okay. I'm already in. Okay.
So you're going to press up here, press join Scratch.
Yes.
So you're going to go in here and create a username, but don't use anything from your real name, just something you can remember for later on.
Yes.
I'm almost done.
All right.
Almost done.
Okay.
Excellent.
Okay, I'm done.
All right. What about Joanna?
I'm already in the create a project part.
All right, hold on. We just need to wait for everyone to catch up first. All right, Renata, just let me know when you're finished.
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. All All right, so we're going to click up here, create.
What are we going to do today?
We'll see. And then we're going to go on to tutorials.
Okay, tutorials.
And then after that, today, we're going to just click on getting started just so we can learn the basics of
Okay.
Scratch.
Excellent.
So we have a video here.
I have it. Should I push play?
Oh, Liliann, how can I get the movie? Because I didn't
Okay, wait.
see it. What do you click? I missed that.
Oh, I was just sharing my screen if you want. Oh,
Yes.
to go back there, I just press on getting started.
Start by grabbing a move block.
Okay. Oh, now I see.
Okay. So here we're just going to do, if you want, we could recreate the same one from that tutorial. So first you have motion here where you just drag it in. You just press the block, drag it in, and drop it. So every time you click it, a character will just move 10 steps. And you could also change the number if you want. So if you wanted, you could also make it 20, or you can make it 1. Okay, and then after that, there's different categories. So there's motion, there's looks, or if you want them to switch costumes or sound, events. And so the way it works is it goes from top to bottom, all of them. So if I added in a sound one, it would first move and then play the sound. However, if I put this one on top, it will make the sound first and then it will move. Oh, let me change this back. And you could add on as many blocks as you want and change it to different, change it to for what you want as well. All right, so now we're going to move on for the project today. So just go back, click on tutorials again, and we're going to click on animate a name. So today we're going to be animating our own name using Scratch. Okay, and I'll play the video.
Oh, I already did this. I just didn't do my name, but I just did A, B. I already did this.
All right. So the way you do it is you click on this blue, the cat symbol right here, and then you just choose, what's it here? Okay. Why did, sorry, glitched out. Choose the sprite, and then you can choose letters.
Oh,
So you can choose out all the letters for your name. And you can also remove the cat right here. Just click on the cat and press the trash button. So first, I'll just add in all the different letters.
how did you get to the library? I lost that.
So you, down here in this box,
Yes, yes.
you just click this cat right here.
Uh-huh.
You press search,
Oh,
and then you press letters up here.
oh, I see. Can we create our own letters in a different program and import them to Scratch?
I'm not sure. I think it's only the predetermined ones here.
I see, but we can create character, for example, right?
Yeah. If you want, you could also do it in a different font. Or did I ever forgot the I?
Can I select few letters at the same time so I don't have to grab letter by letter?
I think you can duplicate it, but I'm not sure if you can select multiple at a time.
Oh, that's right, I can.
Yeah. So you could just move,
Yes.
organize all your letters in here in the box to the right-hand side. And then to choose which specific, you could also add in a backdrop as well to make it a bit more colorful. So if I wanted to, can add in this one over here to make it in space, but there, you can add in any which one you want. Okay, so if you want to animate a specific letter, if you want it to spin or something, you click on the letter like so, and then you can choose in looks, either looks or sound.
Oh, looks.
So looks, you could change the size. You could also change the color. So let's just say, so you could see as I click on it, it changes to a different color on the rainbow as well.
How do I select specific letter that I want, let's say, to have different?
So you just click on it, click on the
Oh,
letter.
I did, but okay. Yes.
So you click on the letter and then you're able to go, you can scroll down into looks, and right underneath set size to 100% here, change color effect by 25. So you could also do to like warp it a little bit or to make it more blurry. Make it brighter, whatever.
Somehow I'm clicking the letter, but I cannot select it. I don't know. Maybe because I have no background, it's just on a white background. So
No,
I
it
don't
shouldn't.
see selection.
No, I think you could see which letter you selected up here as well.
Oh, yes, it is.
Yeah, so you can see like which specific one.
Okay. Then I'm going to look. And in my looks, what do I have?
I'm just gonna redo this one.
Oh, now I see.
Got it?
Yes.
All right. You could also add sounds to it every single time you click on it. So if you wanted to, you could add in a pop every time.
Can we group the letters together to do something together, or it has to be one at a time?
I believe it's one at a time, unless you, yeah, it's one at a time. All right, so now you can go individually and animate it. And then after that, probably in about 15 minutes, you could see how we could show off all of our individual names and see how we did it. So you ready for that?
How do you hit play later to like see how it goes?
You just click on the block itself. So if I just say I wanted to have a sound, you just have to click on it and it would run. Or you could click the green flag up here.
Oh, the green flag's up here. Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna stop sharing and we'll group at around 11:45. I'll still be here if anybody has any questions. So you could just spend the time working on your name. And if you have any questions, I'll still be here. Like up here. So let's just say I have a specific animation for here, or if I wanted to add another one to play all of them at the same time, you could just press this green flag.
Well,
It's fine.
I have to repeat it by myself once again. But I know the little bit of background now.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, one more question. Everything goes on a white screen. Can I add background now when I have only letters? And
Yeah, you can.
that? How can I do
So
that?
to the right of the cat, you
Oh,
can
I
see this little image here,
Oh,
and then you could just press choose backdrop, and you can choose all the different ones you'd like.
yes. Thank you so much.
No problem. So if you wanted to move down, you could have the motion blocks over here.
Yes.
So you could move it along the X and Y axis with these blocks. So you could have it, let's just say, if you wanted to move down, or let me just add in this spray cat again. So let's just say you had it, the cat, you could have it change Y by 10 or by -10 as well if you wanted to move down.
Oh, I see. Okay. So I select the cat in a different position.
Yeah, you could set it.
Is, and then I apply the position, right? Because if I can this cat move jumping up and down? Can I design his steps? It can be the same. The same can be applied to letter, I assume, right?
Yeah.
So the cat is going to Liliann, and the cat is on L, I, L, and then the cat wants to jump to letter I, which is high, and later
you could choose
to letter A.
You could choose this block right here, go to random position, or you could have it move to the specific one. So go to the L, you can go to the I. and it can move to the different ones. But you could just add in more blocks. So if you wanted to move to all the letters. So here.
There is something called mouse pointer, block K, block I, block N.
So if you ran this, oh yeah, mouse pointer, it's just wherever your mouse is on the screen. So like,
Oh, I see.
so if you want, you can share your screen and show it off.
Is it okay if you don't share?
If you don't want to share, you don't have to share.
Oh,
Nice.
great.
Anyone else would like to share? If you're not finished yet, even if it's not finished, if you still have something, all right, Mariana, go. You can share your screen.
Give me that.
Okay, I don't know if you can
microphone.
see.
Beautiful.
It looks really pretty.
Yes.
Thank
rainbow.
you.
It's like a rainbow, but in purples.
Is purple your
Yeah.
favorite color?
Yeah.
It's a really
Touch
pretty
of
color.
green, very nice.
Thank you. And what? Get out of here.
Anyone else? Anyone else would like to share theirs?
Okay, you're sharing now.
Here you go.
So play.
I'm clicking the space bar.
Oh,
Nice.
Yes.
Very cool. Thank you for
Thanks.
sharing.
Now I'm going to do one. This one.
Nice. And when did you make it? You made it the other day?
I made it a couple of days ago.
oh, so
Nice.
you know better Scratch than I do.
Yeah.
Great. I have to speed up with learning.
Could we share Nathaniel's work? And the reason why we're sharing is because we still don't know what we're doing here. Like each one of these letters has commands, but like,
Yeah, that's what I discovered.
Yeah.
It took me a long
What's
time.
that?
Okay, I think I got it. I forgot. Okay,
Oh,
so
could you show your product to me again? Because I didn't see it when you did it.
me?
Yes.
All right, I'll do it after
Okay.
it's done.
Okay.
But I think you have to go to events.
do here. Like if I hit the green flag, like you noted earlier, doesn't do anything.
Yeah, I realized what I was forgetting from the other tutorial I did. I forgot to say it earlier, sorry. But if you go to events.
Go to events.
Mm-hmm.
How do you go to events?
So you see on the side, the yellow dot.
The yellow dot. Where is it? Victor, could you show us? Oh, events here. Oh, I see.
What does it say
Okay.
next?
Yeah, so you could just drag that in.
Oh, and then everything that you have it to do, it's right under here.
Yes, no, so you just attach that to the top one for the first one. So attach it to the top of the purple one. Yep, like that.
And then what about for the, like, the O has its own set of commands. So where do they go?
So you have to do it for all of them attached when the green flag is clicked.
Oh, but how do we just have it all happen together, like one after the other?
So that's when the green flag is clicked, all the different motions will happen.
Huh.
But I think the only thing for this one, I don't think you can combine that block, I guess, as an individual block in its own for sensing. So I don't think it's compatible with other blocks that one you can only use on its own.
So there's no, so how do we start this? It seems like we should have started it with this at the first step and then all the
Yes.
directions under here, but then how do we do it so all the letters have something to do?
So you have to click on the individual letter. So you click on the letter itself on there, yeah. And so for each one, you have to put the individual instruction, but you just have to put when the green flag is clicked on top.
Okay. Okay.
So you could it just moves. Yeah, it wasn't a lot. I mostly just did it for tutorial purposes. So yeah, but you can see every time, like when you have it, it all just goes at the same time once you presses it. So yeah.
So it's in events.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so we can use either green flag or we can use space in keyboard, whatever.
Yes.
Can I apply both? No, I see I cannot. Either one. I see.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so I think we pretty much reached the end of class. So thank you guys for joining me today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you guys next week.